Are you looking for best cornhole boards to buy? Here are our top 5 picks based on quality, price, and customer feedback. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these boards will provide hours of fun for you and your friends. So let's get started.
List number: Portable Cornhole Board Set Outdoor Game. Our cornhole set is made of high elastic flat steel wire that can be folded more than 1,000 times and strong, tear-resistant 300D polyester fabric. This cornhole game is safe and reliable with good support. The game boards are made of high elastic flat steel wire that can be folded more than 1,000 times and strong, tear-resistant 300D polyester fabric. 8 nails can be attached to the ground for outdoor use in windy seasons. You can take it from the garage to the ball field in no time, whether you're going camping or just playing in your front yard. Our cornhole boards have a classic American flag design, which makes them a great addition to any backyard game. Each board measures 3 feet by 2 feet, so they're both portable and easy to set up. Each board comes equipped with 8 strips of cornhole bags that fit into 8 holes along each board, adjustable sizes. Our plastic bags are made from durable polyethylene, which means they're strong enough to hold up to repeated use and abuse. The carrying bag is easy to open with a magnetic clip and includes durable straps for securing your equipment when traveling.
List number: Ghost Sports 4 feet by 2 feet regulation size wooden cornhole board set. The Ghost Sports regulation size 4 feet by 2 feet cornhole set is constructed from solid wood and features a professional light brown stain finish that gives it a stylish look. The mitered corner joints on the boards make it easy to customize for multiple themed events or just for fun. This set is sturdily built for years of tournament play and makes an attractive addition to your game room, man cave, or bar area. Gary's new Ghost Sports regulation size cornhole boards are made from 100% solid wood and feature miter corner joints for authentic gameplay. These wood cornhole boards are painted with a professional light brown stain finish that gives the set a stylish look that captures the timeless fun of playing beanbag toss with friends and family. You can easily customize them by painting, staining, or other methods of personalization. The boards are finished with a light brown stain, making them perfect for all types of events, from holiday weekends to campsites. They're sure to provide hours of fun with friends and family.
List number: Cornhole Solutions Tournament Grade Cornhole Set. The Cornhole Solutions Tournament Grade Cornhole Set is built with premium 3/4 cents Baltic birch plywood for the tops and frames. These boards are regulation size 4 feet by 2 feet and ready for tournament play right out of the box. Built-in handles on both sides make carrying the board a breeze. Rounded edges all around protect your investment, and 2 support braces prevent bounce outs. The bags can easily be cleaned with water. The bags weigh our regulation weight between 15-16 ounces and will always maintain the same weight. Our tournament boards come with rounded edges all the way around the board, built-in handles on both sides of the frame, making carrying the board easy and painless, and 2 support braces on the back of the board which prevent all bounce. The images are also printed directly onto the wood using UV ink to prevent fading. List number: PartyPongTables.com 4 foot by 2 foot wood party toss cornhole boards. Party Pong Tables has long been providing the very best in party supplies to parties of all sizes. But our Party Toss cornhole boards are made next level. We have taken our USA flag cornhole boards and added an extra element of fun with built-in LED lights. This is a great addition to an already amazing accessory, as it gives you a superior light source that can be used for any occasion. Our 4 foot by 2 foot wood Party Toss cornhole boards are great for backyard parties, tailgates, and more. The boards are made out of 3/8-inch plywood, sanded smooth and finished with an attractive US flag graphic printed directly on the surface. Each set includes 8 premium duck canvas all-weather bags and nylon carrying bag. We also include 16 LED light strips with 16 different colors that can be controlled individually or used together to create a more vibrant and lively atmosphere at your event. List number: Jugol 3 by 2 feet collapsible portable cornhole game set with 2 cornhole boards. Jugol 3x2 feet collapsible portable cornhole game set with 2 cornhole boards. Enjoy 2 games in 1 with the Cornhole and tic-tac-toe game. All are included. You will get 2 cornhole boards, 10 beanbag, and bonus durable carrying bag. Each assembled target measures 36 by 24 by 8.3 inches. Easy to play with your friends and family. Simply pick up a beanbag, aim at the hole, and let it fly. Try to use your hands, shoulders, blindfolds, etc. The fun is limitless. Turn to the back, then you could play tic-tac-toe game. Features a durable construction. These cornhole sets are perfect for players of all ages. Play 2 games in 1. Simply pick up a beanbag, aim at the hole, and let it fly. Turn to the back, then you could play tic-tac-toe game. Use hooks to stake your cornhole boards down and keep them from moving while you play. You can start and play the game in a few minutes. This set is sturdy for you to use all through the year without fail.